Hey, hello all, welcome back to our channel guys. And actually in this video it's a teardown video only. Here you can see just now we are going to open this hard disk. This actually it's now we are going to dismantle actually this hard disk. And here you can see there's a Hitachi hard disk. Actually it's a old legacy one. Here itself you can see there's a pins were there. Actually it's 44 pins is there, and in that 1 to 40 pins were which is used for the data transferring, and balance 41 to 44 which is used for a power supply. Actually it's a old legacy one. It's not a SATA type, it's just kind of a parallel ATA type, this pins and all. Actually you can see this Hitachi hard disk, and the manufacturing date is July 7. Actually it is made in Thailand. It's good. Now we are going to dismantle this hard disk and let's see what are all the things were there inside this hard disk. Actually okay, let's come on. Just we need to take our tool. Here is our tool. Now we need to remove the screws guys. Actually there is a bit in between, there's a screw is there, I think. I don't know whether I need to remove this. Actually it's very strong. Okay, first thing, just we will remove the screws first. I don't know whether there's a middle screw is there. After removing that sticker only, just we it will know whether there is screws were there. Okay, just going to complete. Yeah, I have taken. Okay, just we need to take this. I think there is no screw in the middle, it seems. No guys, yes, there is a screw there actually here. Just I need to remove the sticker. And guys, actually I cannot able to take this screw, it just got molded. Actually you can see. So what I did, I just detached this entirely. You can see here's the actuator arm actually, and it's a pivot bearing is there. Should taken, and there's a pivot bearing is there at center. I can't able to remove this up actually. Good. And there's actuator arm which used to read and write the data. Okay, let's come to the point. And here you can see here's the hard disk, IDE hard disk old, and here's the platter. Actually it's very tight. Yeah, okay, here's the platter. Actually it's a 2.5-inch hard disk, and there's a flex circuit is there, and there's a voice coil motor is there under this, and here's the parking area of the actuator, and the resting area of that actuator arm. Okay, let's come on. Now we need to remove this out now. Okay, remove this. Now it's time to remove this center spindle motor, this platter also. Yeah, I've taken this out now. You can see here's the platter. It looks very glossy actually, and here's the spindle motor. You can see. And let's come on, just we need to remove this flex circuit also. Yeah, finally I remove this. You can see there is some IC chips there. KKG KS1. Okay, let's keep this aside. And actually it's used to control the entire thing of this PCB. Just now we need to remove this, also this metal, and that is the one magnet will be there under this. Okay, you can see it's just kind of a sandwich type actually. Yeah, you can see it's kind of a magnetic thing only. You can see it's sticking. Okay, that's it. Just it's now time to remove this. Okay, I need to remove this tool. It's now time to remove the screws. Okay, just I will pass this video and I will resume it back, guys, because there's a lot of screws for this only. Okay, finally I removed all of these things, and you can see here's the board. Actually, this is the brain of this hard drive actually. I think this is a RAM cache memory, and this is a main controller chip, and another one which is used to control the spindle motor, fan speed and all. So these are the things were there in this PCB board. These are the main things were there inside this PCB board, and the connector is a IDE pin actually. It's good. And okay guys, that's all. Finally we removed all of these things. I hope there is only one thing is there. There's a spindle motor is there. I don't know how to remove. Yeah, actually there is no screws, it seems. Just got molded in between. Okay, anyway, just no, it just got molded, it seems. Yes, just got molded actually. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any doubts or questions, ask in the comment section. Definitely I will play. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. That's I will see you in next video.